Tozama ugogo nomkhulu sakwasendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mawuvula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith, phansi eTurkey. Silence can be too loud. Through the years, Nkula as a person, I have learned ukuthi I tend to say the most when I'm silent. I tend to express myself the best when I'm silent. Meaning, when I'm silent, it doesn't mean I don't feel pain. When I'm silent, doesn't mean I don't have an answer for you. When I'm silent, doesn't mean I'm stupid or I'm a fool. When I'm silent, it doesn't mean I'm too smart than anybody else. To be silent doesn't mean that I know better than you do. That's why I'm silent. No. I'm silent because I've realized ukuthi being silent in the midst of somebody, in the midst of situations that are making noise, but to remain silent, to remain at silence, it's a most powerful weapon you can ever use. There are people who are well connected. They know people who knows people that knows people. That's why they know those people. But the problem comes, they talk too much. There are people that are missing out on good deals. Lalela. Good deals. Sweet potato deals. They're missing out big time. Why? Because they talk too much. How many of you can say, yes, Gogo, I've heard that? Yes, I'm thinking of we use Gogo Batini on this deal. Yeah, man, he's a good guy, but that one speaks too much. On this one, we don't need somebody that will talk too much. Sometimes we miss out because of we talk too much. It's not Uguti, there's a bad luck, connections, things are not adding up and everything. No. 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 Somebody had a deal with this other lady who was well connected to one of the former president. And yeah, hey, daughter, Umnomzane wants to see you. You know, the head wants to see you because of this project. I was in denial because of this is one contact that I don't want to spoil, right? The lady sat down the guy. Utugogo, we spent hours with the guy explaining to him how crucial is this meeting. How crucial and how lucky we are to find this meeting. Mina can meet with the head of state at given time. But for me to bring somebody else, I know how difficult it is. He normally prefers that I deal with that person. But this guy can explain this project far better than I can do. And if I can represent this guy, him not being there in person, I will mess up the deal. So it was only fair of me ukuthi nami phela bengizodla kule deal. Yabo? The lady then sit down with the guy, explain to the guy to say, dude, first thing, no one must know what you met the head of state. No one except me, obviously. Except him, obviously. Guys, we only had him So don't try to speculate. Who am I talking about? I will never mention that president. Sorry, but we all had His Majesty's, you know. Uh, oh, Majesty, what? No, Excellence. Gogo, there was no way I could have represented him. So I sat him down, spoke about it, gave him tips, what questions to expect, what kind of a president he is, how he thinks. You know, we are not meeting somebody that will talk too much and everything, and that will show Uguti they have a stake and everything. The president will maintain Uguti how will the people of South Africa benefit on this project, you know, and then you need to deliver it, you know. Kokai even reminded him of the facts that he mustn't forget and everything. Because this is not your presentation, Koko. You know, we're going to sit down, you know, talking in general. You know, maybe we'll be eating something while we're talking, whatever. All right, the guy agreed. The guy agreed to say, no, it's fine. No, I understand. Boom, the girlfriend knew Oguti the guy is going to meet the head of state. Two, the friends knew the guy is going to meet the head of the friend. You know, not telling them to say, like coming to say, but you know, don't tell anyone I'm going to meet the head of state. But in tells another one, but in tells another one, but in tells another one. And by then, it was not more on social media. The social media we had, it was print media. Boom! The news reaches hot news paparazzi, if I may call him that way. And then the meeting happens, the guy comes back, tells these other guys, we met with the president, this is a deal that we're coming up, this is how it's going to be advertised. They called the minister of what, everything was sealed, everything, the deal is coming. Guys, I always tell you, don't want to bounce back to prove a point. You are going to fail yourself dismally. You are going to disappoint yourself. Don't. Because one of the reasons this thing got spoiled is because the guy wanted to prove a point to say, I told you. It's a matter of telling the guys, that I told you, Guti, I have connections. Boom, I'm meeting with the president. Me, nah, I'm meeting with the president. Who are you? I told you. Next week, I'm going to sign a deal of so much millions and everything. Ba, Papos Banbane, that you were busy with them. Now I've got this big deal. Did the deal see the sunrise, Gogo? No, it didn't. It didn't. Gogo, was the deal signed? No, it wasn't. Because the lady was smarter than the guy. So the lady, ubenakho ukuthi, what if I do this and I do this? So the guy ukuthi has met with the president, the state president. It was his words. There was no proof. He couldn't prove it even to the journalist ukuthi, yes, ngempela he met with the president. How it happened? They met with the president. The guy was busy with the lady throughout the day, right? And as they were busy, that's why I said this lady had to hold him for years and everything. So the meeting they had, when the minister came, the president said, I'm going to rest because I need to be prepared for tomorrow. Guaranteed the president is leaving the country at that moment. And when the president left the country, got to whatever country, made a speech, there was a proof that the president on the same day was on that country. While he did see this guy. So it was on the news. Presidency denied it. Spokesperson denied it to say no. There was no way the president could meet with the guy. There's protocols and everything. Even the minister office denied it and everything. The guy ended up being a fool and lost a deal. And the lady had plan B because already the deal was on the table to say this guy has opened up how is he going to source this and that and that and that and that. The lady was recording. Then the deal happened without him. He's still bitter today. That president is no longer president. Yeah, now he's still bitter today. That minister is no longer, actually, that minister passed on. That project till today exists through this lady of knowing. This lady's zip works very well. You know, when your mouth zip works, I'm telling you, you're not going to split the words that you don't mean. You're not going to be mean on people. You're not going to insult people unnecessarily. You're not going to tell things that you were not supposed to tell. Simple. Born, zip. Just zip. Where is this guy today? Exactly where he was when this lady said, you know what, you've got a brilliant idea. Come on board. So silence can work for you. Silence works at the background. Silence make noise where it's supposed to make noise. Not on people that are not relevant. Uyaphi kubangani? Why do you have to announce to each and every person ukuthi this is a deal we have? Yeah, I went to Mozambique. I have isigubhu. Many of you group that you go and fetch a young and not that they are not working. They are not working because you talk too much. Everybody knows now what do you have. Everybody knows there's something that you speak to. Everybody knows that you have a snake. Everybody knows that you have boys. Everybody knows that you have rats. Everybody knows that you have rabbits. Whatever that you are using to induce your wealth, everybody knows because you talk too much. Those things, they switch off. Guys, wealth happens in silence. Wealthy people, they don't talk too much. Wealth works in silence. Tula. Tula. Shut up. Why do you tell people that don't matter about things that matters the most to you? Why? Why? Have you noticed that when I go to these countries, I always tell about, because it's my assignment as an ancestors journalist. It's my assignment to tell you guys, I went to this country, this is the help you can get and everything. Go, guys, have I ever went into details on social media? Into like details to say, yeah, I was in Ghana, this ritual was done, this thing was hanged on top of my face, this is what happened, this is what happened. No, it's not for public consumption. I have a specific things that I can tell to say, okay, guys, this is where I went, this is what help we can get. It ends there. For example, I'm in Turkey. The core reason why I'm in Turkey, I'm not going to do a video about it. No. But the people that knows why I'm here, those are the ones that deserve to know. And they know what we met, we spoke, they've paid for the trip, I'm coming back, I deliver, that's it. Why, Gogo, are you hiding this for us? No, it was the agreement that we did. Gogo, yes, it's fine. You can say what you are in Turkey. Do videos, keep on motivating us. Do whatever content that you can. This one is off limit. And it ends there. It's off limit. So, Gogo, do you mean you can't tell and everything? No. If you come to me and we have a conversation or a consultation and it gets to that, I will tell you what I was talking about there, it's this is what you need. If it's necessary. But ukuthi, what was I doing it for? No, I can't. Somebody said to me, Gogo, you need to expose these pastors that comes to you. Why should I? Why should I expose them? I don't expose people. Why should I expose them? I've been to many healers in South Africa, healers that sometimes others you know. None of them have ever done a video to say Gogo Batini Mbate was here for help. Why must I do the same to that? Guys, keep quiet. Silence on its own will speak volumes on your behalf. And you know, when you do things in silence, you don't have somebody to prove to. You don't have somebody to answer to. You know, you do things like very comfortable because you awutatazeli. I will be busy. You just do things. Okay, I need to do this. Okay, it's fine. Let me do this and everything. I'm here. What time is it? Okay, it's fine. This thing I need to do it at 9 p.m. Let me go do it. You do that. You do that. You do that. You don't have anyone to prove to. None whatsoever. Why many families they know ukuthi ubathini mbathu udlisiwe. Usibusiso, yabona, you see usibusiso, you see Sikhumbuzo, you see uFrank udlisiwe. Why do they know that thing ukuthi wena there's korobela that is in you? The things that you are doing that you were not supposed to do, maybe as a man and everything, is because of you have eaten something korobela. Why? How did it get to that? Because the partner that did that speaks too much. And she ended up telling wrong people. If you want to do something to your partner, why do you tell the public to say, I'm going to do this? I've got this best love potion that I'm going to use to her and everything. Then the man, boom, finds out. But that's why sometimes I behave and everything. Why does he comes into the senses? It's because of now it's in the public domain. Now it's out there. So at the end of the day, what happens? It's finished. Then they get a person that knows how to take it out. They take it out. Then you run to Kokobati. Kokobati, but I really trusted this thing. But this guy has become violent again and what because you talk too much. Why to expose your contacts? Why to expose Ogote? You know you're going to get that deal because of when you know Usbanban and Usbanban. Why do you tell people that? There are people that you can talk to or a person that you can talk to. But not everybody that must know when you are dealing with Usbanibani inside. Do you know how many people they've lost their jobs because of you? You know it was a deal for you to get a job here, you need to pay each other. You agreed. It's irrelevant paying bribe. It's correct or incorrect. Let's not go there. That's not our department. You knew for you to get this tender, this is what is required. You knew. They told you. But because of when you are selfish, you no longer want to pay now. Now you talk too much. Yeah, I got this way, this way, this way, this way. Then they close tabs. Because people with strong contact base, They're powerful. They will close tabs. You knew. Ah, you want a job? No, it's fine. We want so much. Simple. No, it's fine. We want so much. Oh, that position now you can get it. The HR guy, they want 50,000. Take it or leave it. I'll pay it on my first salary. No, we don't deal with that. They want it and they want it hard cash. And they will tell you what to do, who to give it to. Why? They are smart. They know how to close you out from having to say the money did reach the HR lady, the HR guy. When you are working, yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. And let me go deep with this. I know it's going to be sensitive, and I know ladies, they don't like things that point fingers on them. And it's not all the ladies that does that. The guy told you, Oguti, for you to get a job, you need to sleep with him. Let's not talk about whether it's righty, it's disgusting, it's wrong or right or whatever. No. Let's talk about the agreement. And you agreed when, yes, I'll sleep with you if should you give me this job. Why do you expose him then? Even the ladies do that. Hey, I like this guy. This is the guy I was doing the consultation with. And when I was telling him, he stood up. He wanted to run away. He was at Mpangen. I remember very well. He wanted to run away. And I said, what is wrong? He said, Gogo, how do you know that? And he's, as he was standing, he's looking at my table, he's looking at all those bones and everything. This is not bones from Snookfish, Chief. They speak. I was telling him, what does the lady want? Because that was a third interview. Same position, thirdly advertised. It was advertised 3 times. The same interview, they interview him again and again. I've promised him a job to say, you'll get a job in 90 days. They will know people that have benefited from a 5 rand ritual. They know how it works. They know. Then the guy got a job. The guy now, the lady's funny, the lady's what. When you throw the bones, I said, well, now you've made an agreement. A friend of a friend told you, what does that lady want from you? Yes, it was deeper because the lady wanted, I don't know, the lady liked the features, the make of the guy, the tallness of him, the boldness of him and everything. And the lady said, if I can have a child with him. That was a deal. The guy then refused. Hey, what would my wife say? Hey, what. But Chief, you had a deal with him, with her. Then the guy started what? Talking too much. Guess what? There was no link of this lady telling him. There was no link of a friend telling him what that lady said. There was no record. He's hired. And this lady now says, but if ever I wanted this, the example I gave, I'm misleading you guys. That was not an example. I cannot expose my clients. It's just I've just chosen a different, any random example. Then the lady said, if really I said this, why will I hire him before he sleeps with me? Boom. Boom. Where is the guy? He's a liar. What does the company say? We cannot work with you because you are the liar. Why? Because we are pepereza. Ki marata helele. Ilabantu laba abanemphimbo. They don't have a filter. They don't filter what they must talk about. They just split. You can't. You are being insulted, you insult back. You end up saying things that you don't mean because we are papa. Instead of keeping quiet and indulge those insults, as painful as they are, and keep quiet. Because the day you respond to that person is going to matter the most compared to when they were saying those words to you, being angry. I just decided to start my content on this tour with that, or with the silence can be loud. Not you. Keep quiet. Work in quiet. Work in silence. Wealth works in silence. If you want to make it in life, if you want to be anything in life, you don't announce. Stop announcing. I'm enrolling. Akibona wonke umuntu that is happy for you that you are enrolling. People don't like it that you are furthering your studies. They don't like that. I want to do a training in forklifting. No, Lalela, they want to see you sweeping that floor forever. Why do you announce to tell them that you are going on a training to do forklifting? Because you need to come and surprise the HR to say, I just want to bring to your attention, Woody, I'm now trained for forklifting. Should you need somebody in forklifting, I'm available. Yes, you are talking to who? To the relevant person. Your immediate boss. Your HR specialist. You don't tell people, you don't tell another person that is driving the forklift then that you are going to do a forklifting and everything. Why do we announce? Yeah, I'm angry. I'm angry. I will show them. I'll go to my nyanga in Mozambique. I'll show them. That muti will never work, my sister. Sorry. I know how muti works. That muti will never work. You talk too much. It is not necessary for you to talk too much. Why do you talk too much? Why do you tell people who don't care? And the problem of talking too much, you always tell people who really want to see or to know what is right that you are doing so that they can sabotage it. That's why we are not successful, because we talk too much. I'm going to study. I'm going to study. I'm going to start a business. You tell the whole village, which way now you want to start a scrapyard. Then you start a scrapyard and everything. At night, they take the robots, they throw it inside your yard. Then they call the police. You are arrested for copper, stealing, and robots. And you didn't buy those things. But where were they found? Inside your yard. Hey, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I want to start that. I want to study that. I want to get married and everything. How many people? The guy said to Yazid, again, man. You know, elders must talk. Yabo? The guy tells you, that is his plan. When you're told Zodwa, when mapapeni, you're told Zodwa. Ukuthi hey uye uzovela yes kuzabakhonge ekhaya nini ngoDecember bafika hayi bathe ngoApril bafika hayi bathe ngoJune ebusika bafika. Because you talk too much. You tell people how nice is this guy, how sweet is this guy treating you and everything. Then Tom Zomba comes with a miniskirt 2 centimeter mtakama. Then the guy, what? Erection, then the head, go to sleep. Then, he's a dog. He sleeps around. No, you talk too much. Saragwa sento tukoko bathini bathi mawufuna kuvalia emzini amadoda uAnti Usha khona la. Istanbul. Take care.